In this demo, I'm going to give you a brief overview of how to upload a counter billing authority file and view issued and received CBAs in Railinc's car repair billing application. Counter billing authority, or CBA, is used for the purpose of monetary adjustment for the parties concerned and may be issued in response to paid invoice exception letters as the result of an MID inspection or in response to an AAR circular letter claim from a collecting party as defined in AAR Rules 112.d and 120.b. CBAs are processed through car repair billing, either via FTP or the upload function in the CRB application. Log into CRB using the appropriate road mark. Railinc provides a template to help you prepare your CBA files prior to upload. To download one or more templates, select Exceptions, Download Message Templates, select the appropriate template from the drop-down list, and select Download Template. For file formatting details for each file type, see Appendix Y of the CRB Procedures Manual. The CBA file for upload must be a compressed zip file that includes a CBA spreadsheet and may include any supporting PDF attachments to successfully upload to CRB. Select Exceptions, Upload MI/CL CBA files. Select Choose File and select the appropriate file for upload from your system. When the file is selected, the file name appears next to the button. Select Upload CBA File. A confirmation email will be sent to you letting you know if the file has been accepted. When a file is accepted, Railinc processes it and sends it to the receiver, and the email includes a link to the report. To view CBAs that your company has issued, select Exceptions, View Invoice Exception and CBA Files. Select the MI/CL CBAs Issued tab. Filter the data by entering a date range and file name. You can select to display data for all or MI only or CL only. Select Search. To download a zip file, select the file link. To view CBAs that your company has received, select the MI/CL CBAs Received tab. Filter as appropriate and select Search. To download a zip file, select the file link. Select Home to return to the Welcome page. That wraps up our brief overview of how to upload a CBA file and view issued and received CBAs in Railinc's car repair billing application. Contact us for more information.